Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing? So today is actually January 1st, 2026. You'll probably see this video go up on the 2nd. But I am about to start working on my first quilting project for 2026. I made this monkey wrench block last, I don't know, fall sometime, just randomly trying to cut a block out of AccuQuilt, and I really like this. I've always liked this quilts made out of this, and 2026 for me is going to be a year about trying to use up some of my fabric, and I have, well, I will be using this, but I have this bowling fabric that I don't know how many yards of this. Don't ask me why, but I have yards. Yards. And I'm going to make a wheelchair lap size quilt out of the monkey wrench pattern to donate to the senior citizen center in my little town this year. So I'm going to be trying to make some of those, use up some stash, give those people something maybe to smile about. There's a lot of men and women up there that I'm sure would probably enjoy something like that. So anyway, I'm about to get started cutting. I've got to do a little bit of pressing. And since I had done this quilt block with my AccuQuilt die set, that's what I'm going to be cutting these with. I found it actually pretty quick, and I don't know, I was kind of looking at the general size of this because this is like a 13, I want to say like a 13 and a quarter or 13 and a half inch block as it sits right now. I think it's probably going to be a 3x3 in size. Anything larger than that, and it would be just too large for a wheelchair little lap quilt. So I don't know. I hope you join me in making some cute little quilts as gifts for people this year. And this one, I'm going to be sitting down to try to figure out for 9 blocks exactly how many of the white and the what will be the bowling solids need to be cut. How many of each for the half square triangles, and then how many of each for the four patch there. Now, I know I counted them the other day. I'll need 2 of each of the solids. I will need 8 of these, and I will need 4 of these for each block. So I'll just need to divide that or multiply that by 9, and that'll be the number I need to cut for each one. So I'm going to get pressing and start cutting and stuff. And I guess I'll give you some update on it later. Until then, I'll talk to you. Happy quilting. Bye.